Okay, so let me show you how you can use this abstract technique to make some really weird and cool looking stuff in Blender. And if you can like and subscribe, I would also really appreciate that. So let's just go File, New and General. I'm going to go A and X and delete. We're going to bring in a UV sphere. I'm going to open up this little window here. I'm just going to double up these settings. So now we're going to create this main mesh with some modifiers. So the first modifier that we're going to use is this displace. So click on new, click on this weird icon here and change this to clouds. Then we're going to go back into the modifier properties. And now we can use this strength here to scale up this shape like that. So the next modifier we're going to use is a subdivision surface. I'm going to set this to 4. And we're also going to need a simple deform. And we're going to move this one all the way to the top like that. And the beauty of this little thing is now we can change the shape into all kinds of different styles here. So let's also set up the scene, and I'm going to show you this little trick at the end to create this organic look as well. So we're going to go Shift A, bring in a light. I'm going to use an area light. Just move it up. I'm going to open up this data here. I'm going to set this to 400. Give it a hint of blue. Change this to a disk. And now if we change this orientation to local, we can just duplicate this light like this and move it down. And I want to set this light to 200 and bring it back to white like that. So let's bring in a camera as well. I'm going to set the orientation here to 0. Go into camera view. And now if we change our engine here to cycles and turn this world to black, bring up our timeline and change it to the shader editor, click on object and then click new. So let's see what we got there. So interesting kind of look here, but the real little trick is to set this surface as this principal BSDF to 1 like that. So that will create this organic kind of look. And what you can do from here is also go back into this modifier tab, play around with these shapes, and if you find a shape that you're happy with, you can just apply everything. Then go into edit mode and turn on proportional editing, and then you can create even more kind of crazy shapes. And when you play around with this, you're suddenly gonna find yourself creating a weird looking fish or something like that. Who knows? Good luck. And if you can like and subscribe, I would really appreciate that. Have a great day wherever you are, and peace out.